The most awkward moments for celebrities on the red carpet. Number 5. Lisa Koshy. In the Oscar ceremony, Lisa lost her balance and fell to the ground due to hunger and too high heels. The whole moment was captured by the cameras. She tried to get up elegantly, but in the end, she could not stand up. 4th place, number 4. Ariana Grande. On the red carpet of the Oscars 2025, she wore a dress cast with 190,000 crystals. The garment was so heavy that it made it difficult for her to move. When she was invited to dance, her legs were rigid and immobile, remaining still like a statue, which was very uncomfortable. Number 3. Taylor. On the 2024 red carpet, Tila wore a dress made of sand that made her an overnight sensation. It was so tight that she could barely move. When it came time to go up the steps, she had to be lifted by her armpits by a security guard. Number 2. Doja Cat. At a fashion event, Doja Cat shocked photographers by arriving wrapped in what looked like a simple white bath towel. The intentionally minimal styling meant she went without traditional undergarments. The unusual outfit quickly went viral online and became one of the most talked about celebrity appearances of the night. Number 1. Sabrina Carpenter. Last year, Sabrina Carpenter wore a long tail suit jacket with no pants underneath. Unfortunately, the tail of her jacket was accidentally stepped on by a staff member.